Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, my name is Ari Wahyu Prananta. I will do the presentation of the research. The topic is analysis of social dynamics and optimization of online motorcycle service. Case of the trans check with employee cooperative at the University of Trunojoyo Madura. This research is to explore the application of advanced analytical techniques to understand and enhance the performance of online motorcycle taxi service, considering of the complex social dynamics that influence the rapidly evolving of industry. My name is Ari Wahyu Prananta, and with my teams is Muhammad Afifuddin, Rahmat Taufikur Rahman, and Anissa Bahar. The Department of Sociology and Faculty of Social Science and Cultural Science, University of Trunojoyo Madura. Next, this research introduction is the presence comprehensive of the analysis of social dynamics and optimization strategy for online motorcycle taxi service by applying advanced with the analytical technique, including with the structural equation modeling, analytical hierarchy process, and an operational research method. This research aims to uncover key insights to optimize the performance of the rapidly growing industry. Background research. This background research is to find a growing demand for motorcycle taxis, operational challenge, and social dynamic impacts, benchmarking opportunity. A growing demand for motorcycle taxis is a open concerns of developing countries continue to greatly with traffic congestion and limited public transportation. The demand of the affordable and efficient last mile mobility solution like online motorcycle taxis have surged. Two operational challenges in the however this service face complex operation challenge. The social dynamic impacts, the social dynamics between driver, passengers and platform operator play a crucial role in the success and sustainability of the service. And benchmarking opportunities in the current industry, best practice and leveraging advanced analytical technique can provide it. Research of objective, we have a three. One is analyze social dynamics, analyze social dynamics, and then we get examine the social behavior factor influencing the use online motorcycle. To optimize service operation, we develop strategies to enhance the efficiency and reliability of online motorcycle and service. 3. Apply benchmark technique. We get the use by structural equation modeling, analytical hierarchy process, and operational research method. Next, we get a literature review and scholarly insight to existing literature provide of a strong foundation for analytical social emerging trends. We can explore application structural equation modeling, analytical hierarchy process, and operational research. We get a theoretical framework that scholarly works and examine a social factor, use preference, operational considering. Methodology, we get to use structural equation modeling, 2. Analytical hierarchy process, 3. Operational research. If we use a structural equation modeling, we can use a 4. Comprehensive framework. We can find a latent variable 3. Model evaluation. 4. We get a hypothesis testing. If we use analytical method, analytical hierarchy process, we get a criteria weighting, hierarchical structure, and pair-based comparison. If we use operational research method, we get the use optimization model, simulation and modeling, data-driven insight. Data collection, we get data with existing data, secondary and primary data, and primary service and observational data. If it is data preparation, we get the data collection, data cleaning, data integration, and data transformation. If we use a data collection, gather all relevant data from online source as customer database. Data cleaning, after data collection, we get data cleaning, remove any error, inconsistency, and irrelevant information from dataset. Next, data integration, combine data from multiple sources into cohesive and fine format. For data transformation, we get the convert of data into a suitable for the analysis using statistical analytical tools. Next, we get the SAM model development and testing. We get the model conceptualization, 3 data collection, 2 data collection, 3 model estimated and validation. If we get a model conceptualization, we get a piece of literature review and theoretical framework. The research developed initial conceptual capture. If it is data collection, we get comprehensive surveys conducted, gather data from user. 3. Model estimation validation, we get a structural equation modeling, applied the collected data and parameters and hypothesis and relationship. We get a happy model for criteria weighting. We get a defined criteria, pair-based comparison, calculated weight, and consistency check. Define criteria, we can identify the factor, pair-based comparison conduct pair-based, calculate weights, synthesize the pair-based, consistent check, evaluated and consistency. The step of OR, operational research, we can define object, identify variable, 3. Establish constraint, 4. Develop model. We get a scenario analysis, the research, we get 1 of currently baseline studies, 2 short-term optimization, 3 long-term transformation. This histogram, we get from 0 until 100 rider satisfaction, passenger waiting time, revenue, and operation console. We get a key insight. We get a 4. 1 is rider preference. We get a study found the rider preference factor like a wait time, price, and driver rating when selecting online motorcycle taxi service. 2. Optimization opportunities, applying with the SAM, HP, and operational research method. 3. Market segmentation, we can identify based on demography and behavioral factors such as target service offering could improve. 4. A social dynamics impact analysis, important of understanding. We get a discussion, a theoretical implication and practical implication. The study contributes theoretical understanding to finding from the research of practical insight. Implication theory, we get a 3. Expanding theoretical frameworks, integrating multidisciplinary approach, and 3. Advanced service innovation theory. We get implication of for practice, streamline right optimization, enhance social connectivity, diversive service offering. The next limitation of studies the studies is scope and scale. We cannot scope and scale too large. We get focus in the Madura district. Data availability. We analyze with constraint. Modeling complexity used by SAM, LHP, and OR. Methods introduce additional complexity and potential for modeling limitation. For external factor, the study is not fully account the impact external economic. Future research direction is we get 4: expand data source, pilot testing, sensitivity analysis, and benchmarking. The end of presentation, we get a research, we get a conclusion. In summary, this comprehensive study has provided valuable insight into optimization of online motorcycle taxi service. We get the name is with Transcheck through the application with structural equation modeling, analytical hierarchy process, and operational research. The finding offer practical guidance for improving the social dynamics and operational efficiency. This rapidly evolving transformation transportation platform. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.